Orlando Pirates head coach Abdesalam Awadu has issued a stern warning to his players, insisting that there is no room for complacency as they prepare for a blockbuster DStv Premiership clash against Mamelodi Sundowns this weekend. The Buccaneers booked their place in the Carling Knockout Cup semi-finals with a hard-fought victory just days after their heartbreak CAF Champions League exit at the hands of the San Elio Popo. Despite winning the second leg and overturning a three-goal deficit, Pirates were eliminated on penalties, a bitter pill to swallow for the Soweto Giants. But Wadu believes his team response has been the perfect antidote, as it is very important to reach the semi-final because it's a major competition for us. We won our last game in the Champions League, but unfortunately we didn't qualify. That's why it was crucial to win again, to keep the confidence, the ambition, and the hope alive ahead of our next big game against Sundowns. The Moroccan tactician, however, was left frustrated by his side's inability to keep a clean sheet, highlighting a need for greater defensive discipline and killer instinct in attack, and said the only bad point was the goal we conceded. I was very frustrated because I wanted us to keep a clean sheet, but I'm not worried. It's about making sure players understand the football is about taking chances. When you have opportunities, you must go. Wado didn't mince his words when addressing his expectations of professionalism and focus within the squad. He said at the end of the league campaign, every goal counts, so don't joke. We're not here to joke, we're here to perform and get results. If someone wants to have fun, no problem, he can go play five-a-side with his friends, but at Orlando Pirates we are here to reach our targets. With momentum swinging back in their favor and a crucial league fixture looming against the defending champions, Wada's message is clear: only serious, focused players will earn their place on the pitch. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.